why we get nervous? Do you know the reason of our nervousness? It is only because we are not confident in something, because we don't have knowledge or experience about anything. Suppose, what is your profession? If I ask any question related to your profession, you would be comfortable. You will be very confident while answering. On the other hand, if I ask any question related which is not in your profession, you would be uncomfortable, nervous. It's obvious, because you don't have knowledge about that. Why I'm confident answering you every question related English? Because I have learned. I will give here 2 examples. Number 1, I took my time with it. Number 2, I have a lots of dog-eared books. I have a lot of dog-eared books. I have burnt the midnight oil. I have burnt the midnight oil. I have burnt the midnight candle. All means are the same, like I have given my time with it. Means I have learned. So that's why I'm confident. So these are the ways how we can express the thing, like I have so many dog-eared books, or I have burnt the midnight oil. That's why I'm here. So what gives us confidence? Our learning, our experience, how much time you're going to spend in any field, you're going to be confident. And of course, you would be confident in your field, but not in English. So why don't you learn with me? Why don't you spend your time with me so that I could make you so confident as I am? I will clear your concept. I will tell you the everything where you are making fumble, where you are confused. So I will clear you every concept. After you clear your concept, you would be comfortable, and it is very obvious. Why? Because while talking only, if you encounter any situation for the first time, you're going to be nervous because you were not prepared for that. But I will prepare you for each and every situation which you are going to encounter, or which you already encountered, or which you're currently going through. So I will clear, like I used here going through. So do you know what I've gone through? And what is she going through? मतलब आपको पता है कि उस पे क्या बीत रही है? Do you know what she is going through? What she is going through? You know what I've gone through? Then I am here. Then I'm here. मतलब मुझ पे क्या बीती है? How many just ups and downs I faced? Then I'm here. How much I have learned? How much I have put my effort? Then I'm here. So if I'm speaking one thing, it is in my habit actually. I speak all the time with synonyms. I try to use the alternative words so that you could have in your mind, you could revise all the stuff which already I have taught you. So this way, if you're listening to me daily, also you're speaking with me, and it's other thing, like we will enjoy here a lot while talking, because I'll be asking their only relevant question, the question which are relevant to your life, like what you had eaten today, how was your day, okay, what are the things which you like, what makes you angry, what makes you irritated, what makes you this thing. So the thing relate to you, you can answer very well, because you know how much we know ourselves, nobody else can. So we can answer very feasibly, very easily. So you will have to talk like this, and you will be comfortable while talking only. It is the very easy way. We are not going to learn any grammar or anything. I told you many times, I'm not asking you to write anything or to complete any homework. I will ask you only to give your time and a bit of dedication. That's all. And I will feed your brain. That is my guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll now. Don't forget to text me on the given number if you're interested then. So mention your name and your level. Text and your level. Then I will call you back, and you will be just okay with me, and you'll be there with me, and you can join my class. Okay, thank you.